Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. I'm super excited to show you this one. This is our December of 2024 Stamp Club. It is so cute. I cannot wait to show you this one. It might possibly be my very favorite stamp set ever. You ready? Check this guy out. This is called Delivery Deer. It's not Delivery Deer, although he is a deer that delivers based on how we've put the character in here. But we called it Delivery Deer, and I want to show you. Look at these adorable characters. This little deer. There's bunnies that can be used in different ways. There's little birds. There's a little heart with a paper airplane, an envelope, and we've got the wording with love and then something to post about because I thought that was really cute, and it kind of plays on two words like posting on social media, but posting in the mail. So cute. Look at this guy. He's the star of the show. This is our Delivery Deer. I just think he is so adorable. And as much as I love this for cards, and the samples you're going to see today are cards, but can you see him on envelopes to decorate the outside of your envelope? Also, these little guys right here, they stack up to reach the mailbox, but they also can stack up to reach him. It's so cute. You can mirror stamp these guys to turn them in all different directions. Let me show you the samples that Miss Geneva and Miss Opal made. They are so cute. First off, were you here last night when we did the slider card on our live show? Look what we've got. I don't know if Miss Geneva or Miss Opal did this. One of them did, but check this out. This slides off. This is a tag. Isn't this cute? Something to post about on the back. Look at the front with the little post and look at all the little envelopes. So adorable. And they're dimensional. Love that with the little bunny. Then when we open it up inside, the little envelopes run down the bottom. Isn't this so fresh? Love it. And then the little bunny on the back again. And then imagine doing a custom envelope with it. That's what I think would be so cute. So there's one sample. If you want to see how to make this card, by the way, it's on the video last night. You can check that out from our Thursday night live show. Look at this little guy. This little bunny is loading up his little bag and the little envelopes are tucked in. And the cool thing is you can fussy cut these so easy because they're just little rectangles. There's no fancy things there. And don't forget our SVGs. You can use the SVGs that we give you for free. Look, something to post about. Put that inside there. I just love it so much. And on the inside, the little envelope, which is also dimensional because it's a cutout. So good. And one more sample. Look at this little guy. You can even use this one in all the seasons. This one feels very Valentine's, doesn't it? I think it's really cute with love. And look, I just love how this one turned out. This stamp set is one of my faves. I think I'm going to have to play with this. And I'm still making my Christmas cards. So I would be the one this late making Christmas cards. But I think you may see me play with him too because I think he's adorable. So let's go back to the set so you can see it. This is Delivery Deer, and you can pick it up if you're a club member. It's coming to you in the mail already. If you're not a club member, you can still pick those one up in our store. We have some left from the first shipment, so if you want to grab some of those, you can. And I just think they're so cute. I cannot wait to see what you make with them. And as you know, we give away a $50 gift card every month. So all you have to do to enter is make a project using this stamp set, post a picture of your project to our customer gallery, and you are entered to win. Hey, thank you guys so much for being a part of our stamp club. And until next time, bye now.